Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G06 Power, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section connected with the apps, so let's find it. Then we have to scroll all the way down to find special access, and here localize the option which is called Install Unknown Apps. So here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from the browser. Find it in the list and then tap on the switcher next to it. As you can see, now the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.